How to use Jasper AI writing hidden feature. To use the Jasper AI's writing hidden features, you have to open the browser itself. Then tap on that search bar, then type in Jasper AI and head to the official site. From there, you can use the knowledge-based grounding trick. Instead of feeding the AI information in every prompt, you can simply upload a massive digital library of your existing company assets. Go to the Jasper IQ option and head to the knowledge base, and then simply upload your product documentation, PDF, internal strategy documents, or even audio files and videos. From there, you should be able to use it. You can also style the guide automation where you can set rules for everything from M-uses to mandatory branded terminology and case sensitivity. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.